So this video is about turning a front air dam into a spoiler or a splitter on a OBS truck, Chevy pickup. And what I basically did was take the factory air dam and cut off an inch and a half of it, as you can see here. Built a adapter or whatever you want to call it, because it's going to be narrower than the front bumper in a different shape. Flipped it over and now it comes out like this, like a spoiler or splitter, instead of straight down like an air dam. And I used quarter turn clips in case I need to flick it off real easy. And then I'm going to put struts in these holes that go up to the bumper. These holes are clearance holes to clear the bolts that hold the front bumper on if you're mounting it the proper way, or the way it was designed. But I flipped it over, cut off a little bit of it, built an adapter. These holes here are match the front bumper's holes to hold on the original air dam, and these holes clearance the bolts that hold on the front bumper on a Chevy OBS, and flipping it upside down and remounting it to the bumper, the couple struts, as you can see, turns it into a spoiler or a splitter. You could even add some width to the bottom of it, because the mounting holes for the air dam are still under it. So if you wanted to put some material, carbon fiber or aluminum or whatever you wanted to do out that way, you could do it. And that's what it looks like. And just never could find a spoiler that anybody was making for OBS's, you know, out of anything, you know, that kind of looked like that. So I got that idea and turned it into a spoiler. Thanks for watching.